Today, I would like to share a story about a very special house. It is a house that is hidden in plain sight. The Cooper House. As you come onto Sanibel Island, turn right onto Periwinkle Way and travel all the way to the end. Look over the road and you will see a charming shopping complex called Olde Sanibel Shops. At first glance you will find a cafe and many unique businesses, but if you dive deeper you will find out this complex is steeped in history. Focus on the centre 2-storey section of the building. You might think it looks like a house. It actually was. This was the home built by George Cooper in 1891. So who was George Cooper, or Captain Cooper as he was also known? At the age of 16, George joined the Confederate Army as a drummer boy. In 1862, President Abraham Lincoln signed the Homestead Act. This act granted Americans the right to purchase 160-acre plots of public land. George took this opportunity to homestead this area on Sanibel. He made his living as a farmer and cultivated one of the county's largest tomato fields. He built a road to deliver his produce to a dock on Tarpon Bay. This road is now called Tarpon Bay Road. From there, his tomatoes were loaded onto boats and shipped to many ports. Tomatoes were an important export of the island. In fact, some of the best restaurants in Manhattan advertised Sanibel tomatoes on their menus. If you look to the far left of the building, you will see a white, flat roof structure. In 1967, this was a freestanding building that housed the Sanibel Post Office. When the post office moved locations in 1979, this building became a restaurant, and it still is to this day. Eventually, Sanibel's large produce fields became the wildlife sanctuaries and beautiful island facilities that we all enjoy today. Although I say tomato a little differently, I hope you enjoyed this trip down memory lane. My name's Nick Adams. Come and join me on the next one.